Hi guys, in this video we will be understanding energy sustainability issues, finishing with an exam style question.
Firstly, I'm going to give a brief introduction to energy sustainability issues, focusing on the environmental impacts that many energy resources create. So, one of the main differences between renewable and non-renewable energy sources is their impact upon the environment. And although they have their disadvantages, renewable energy sources are much cleaner and less harmful to the atmosphere than non-renewables. So, non-renewable sources of energy release harmful pollutants such as carbon and sulfur compounds into the atmosphere when they are burnt. So, the environmental impacts of using energy resources that take place during exploitation, transportation, and when using fuels to produce energy. And in developing countries in particular, in rural areas especially, people rely upon biomass such as fuel wood to meet their energy needs for cooking because they don't have access to fossil fuels. So the use of biomass itself is not a concern unless the fuel is harvested unsustainably, where more trees are chopped down than are growing. So that's the relation to sustainability of fuel wood. But the scarcity of fuel supplies has led to the widespread removal of woodland for firewood, which is having many negative effects upon the environment, because the removal of woodland for firewood means that there is less interception of rainfall because there's less trees to trap rainwater. This means that there's faster runoff when it does rain, and reduced infiltration as well, because the ground becomes drier, so it can't absorb as much moisture, which then means that other plants can't absorb as much water from the soil. And then this causes soil erosion and can lead to what's called desertification, which is when the land becomes barren and can't support vegetation. So this is a picture of some land that's been desertified here, and this is because of the collection of fuel wood, which is causing desertification in many areas in sub-Saharan Africa, in a region called the Sahel, where they're reliant on fuel wood for their energy sources. The next environmental impact we're going to look at is called acid rain, and essentially acid rain is rain that's been made acidic by reacting with certain pollutants in the air, and I'm going to explain how this happens. So the causes of acid rain are the burning of fossil fuels in power stations and also exhaust fumes from vehicles. So when fossil fuels are burnt or when petrol is combusted in vehicles.
Hi guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific A-level geography videos, just click the button. Join me today and together let's make A-level geography a walk in the park.